everyone. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Columbus is getting very serious about its streets. Mayor Stephen Jones says the city council approved a citywide pavement analysis, hiring engineering firm Neil Schaefer to study every road in the city. Each street will get a pavement condition index rating, helping the city decide what needs to be fixed now, what can wait, and how to stretch every dollar. Mayor says it's about making smarter decisions with taxpayer money and not just paving for the sake of paving. The study is going to take several months, ending with a full presentation on the priorities, of course, the costs, and a long-term plan for future paving budgets. This one goes out to all of our Main Street associations out there. You guys work so hard to make our communities, downtowns so special, so unique, and so inviting. And you deserve a little help doing that. The Mississippi Main Street Revitalization Grant Program is now accepting applications. Eligible communities can apply for up to $500,000. Money aimed at revitalizing downtowns, preserving historic properties, and strengthening our local economies. The deadline to apply is 1 month away. It's scheduled for September 11th. All right, parents, good news for you. Your kid's future got a little more affordable. Thank goodness, right? The Mississippi Affordable College Savings Plan is cutting fees by 20%. State Treasurer David McCray says that means more of your money stays invested in your child's education. The plan is known as MAX. It lets you lock in today's tuition rates while your kids are still young before those rates go up, because you know they're gonna. This plan is one of the top financial plans of its kind in the country. In fact, Forbes ranked Mississippi's plan number 6 among the top 10 prepaid college plans in the country. Thank you so much for joining us here on Mississippi Live. I'm Emily Leonard. Have a great night.